Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to a brand new video. So today I have some new makeup to share with you. You guys know drugstore, high-end, constantly releasing new things. I have just a few things, okay? Not a lot. So I figured I would mix in some OG makeup that I maybe haven't used in my channel for quite some time. So be prepared to grab your brushes, pull out some old palettes, some old foundations, but also testing out some new products. For example, the new e.l.f. What is this? The melting lip balm. Yeah, we're gonna talk about this, okay? So grab your brushes, grab your cafecito, and let's jump right into today's full face of new and old makeup plus a little spring makeup tutorial for you. Let's get into it. Before jumping into the makeup look and everything, let me quickly shout out Dossier for sponsoring this portion of today's videos. I just received 4 new scents, but I wanted to share 2 scents that really stood out to me. If you guys are not aware, Dossier also has Dossier Originals. Besides having Chanel, YSL, Le Labo, all those high-end luxury brands, they also make their own Dossier Originals, which are going to be uniquely to the brand. And let me show you some of the new ones that I got that I think I might be obsessed with already. If you like that fruity, almost like edible scent, Milky White is going to be your new girlfriend. I just got this in the mail and oh my gosh, I've been wearing it all day yesterday and all day today. The top notes on this are coconut, bergamot, lily of the valley. So if you like smelling a little fresh with that hint of coconut, this is going to be so good. If you're not a fan of coconuts, then let me introduce you to Spring Fling, which is also another Dossier collection. This is called the Seasons collection, okay? And this is the definition of floral. The top notes are lily of the valley, green leaves, vegan honey, and hyacinth. Not sure what that means, but the scent family in this is all floral. So if you love florals, just flowers in general, this is going to be it for you. This is slightly sweet, but it's definitely very floral. Just imagine yourself running into a field of flowers and then like the scent just being attached to you. This is what you're gonna smell like, and it smells so delicious. I really like this one. The more that it sets on your skin, it just really smells so creamy. Whether you are a true floral girly for the spring/summer, or if you are more of a milky white coconut creamy musky girl, one of these two is bound to be on your top rotation. So I will have these linked in the description box down below. And again, thank you to Dossier for continuing to support my channel and allowing me to bring videos like these to you. And with that said, let's jump right into the tutorial. I think I want to start with the face again because it just really does make quite a difference. Just seeing the base together, looking amazing, looking snatched. And I have more base products that are new than anything else. So we're just going to mix a little bit of everything. But first things first, let's color correct because these dark circles are here to stay. I've just come to the conclusion that it is what it is, and I guess I'm just living with darkness under my eyes for the rest of my life. It's all right. If there is one peach corrector that I can totally say without a doubt is probably my favorite, and I've tried a few, this one from Cali Ray. Oh my gosh, I don't know what she puts in her formula, but it is so good. I think it's because it's so lightweight and it's hydrating at the same time, but it's pigmented enough to where it just completely color corrects the under eyes, and it looks so good and like natural, if you will. It's just that good. Do you see how it immediately just like neutralized everything? Ugh. Perfection. I highly recommend that. We're throwing it back old school with One Size. I feel like I haven't used their products in quite some time, so I'm going in with the blurring primer. This one is probably my second favorite besides the oil sucker. This just really like locks in the makeup. It minimizes the pores. It smooths out your skin. Yeah, this is that girl. Let's do a little bit of foundation. I'm putting it on my leg. Don't mind me because since I'm wearing a dress. This is the One Size BBB Cream or BBB. Yeah, BBB Cream. I forgot how good this is, and I've kind of been reaching for it the past few weeks, and I'm like, oh yeah, forgot about you. I'm sorry. I love how blurring it is. So if you suffer from texture, large pores, maybe like a little bit of acne scarring, I think this would be a good foundation. And I love how lightweight it is. I don't have any new concealers. You will have to let me know if you have a favorite concealer that is newer that you've been loving and trying out. I'm still stuck on the Estee Lauder. I guess for me, this is like my newest concealer that I've bought, and it is pretty new to the market. So I'm just going to take some to the inner corner, the outer corners of the eyes. I love this doe foot applicator because it holds so much. Then I'm also going to take some here, 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 and to the center of the forehead, of course. Do you guys have all your Easter baskets ready? I have not bought anything. I don't even know when Easter is. I'm just indecisive if I want to add like anything. I usually don't give them Easter baskets. Like I buy my kids, well, I should say I buy Lincoln so many toys throughout the months. You know, I'm not that mom that says no. I'm kind of bad and I say yes to him a lot, which I don't think it's necessarily bad because Lincoln is spoiled, but he doesn't act spoiled, you know? So I do tend to give in and buy him toys, especially dinosaurs, you know? I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not out here spending $60 on a toy every week. It doesn't work that way. But I definitely do spoil him, you know? Le doy sus gustitos every now and then. I buy him a toy or two. I think when it comes to kids, like, just having fun, letting them explore, taking them to an Easter egg hunt, that's their happiness, literally. Let's go in with bronzer. So Juvias Place just released these new bronzers. I picked up the shade Toasted Toffee. So they have a cream bronzer, but this is a liquid bronzer. And ooh, I'm excited. I'm going to mix it with my Rare Beauty bronzer in the shade Serene because this is a little more warm and the Juvias Place is a little more cool, which I did intentionally get it cool because I was like, you know what? All my bronzers always lean warm and I want to start incorporating a cool tone bronzer to chisel out my cheekbones. That's a tongue twister for me. So I'm recording this video a little bit early and we are planning on going out for the tacos and tequila event that is happening here in Houston. If you guys are from Houston and you went, let me know your thoughts. Excited for that. My husband, me, and some of our friends are going. That same Saturday in the morning, they're doing a helicopter drop, candy drop here in Spring. I'm going to go in with the Juvias Place bronzer. These are so creamy. I'm going to use a little bit right here. Do you see how cool tone this is? And it's a little lighter, which is exactly what I wanted. This is in the shade Toasted Toffee. Ooh, I like that color. It's really, really nice. It's a little cool tone, but it's also a little neutral. It has like a little bit of both. I think I used too much. Anyways, as I was saying, they host at a church here. They call it the... Did I do too much? It's a helicopter candy drop off where they have a helicopter hovers over the people and it starts dropping candy. I've never been to anything like that, but I saw it posted to my local marketplace on Facebook and I was like, oh my gosh, Lincoln loves helicopters. That would be so much fun and candy and it's free. Count me in. We have a few blushes to try. These are new from Colourpop. They sent over some new blushes. So these are supposed to be a little bit like more luminous than the other ones. I really like Colourpop blushes, but I tend to kind of forget about them. But I also have some Morphe blushes. Well, I have a Morphe blush. They just released their new After Party multi-finish face trio blushes, which if you look at these, they remind me of like Patrick Ta and One Size Beauty. Very similar packaging, very similar concepts. It's in the shade Cheek Thrills. First, let's go in with this Colourpop City Walk blush. That is a little swatch. I think I'm only gonna do one side. Let's try this blush on this side. So I'm gonna go in with the cream color first. Let's see how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. It's like a rose mauve. like a rosy color. Okay, first impressions, I really like the Morphe blush. I personally prefer a more matte finish versus these are a little more luminous. These will just really show a lot of texture. If you have large pores, these are just not very suitable for my skin type. But we're gonna set everything. I'm gonna use my About Face powder, y'all. If you haven't tried this, seriously, go try it. It is so pretty, only if you're looking for a new powder, okay? This is in the shade Veil. It is such a lightweight, silky, pressed, loose powder. Did that even make sense? Pressed, loose powder. The way this sets my skin beautifully. Again, just to go back with the Colourpop and not to be repetitive, but I don't like this on me at all. I love what they're doing. Love the concept, just not for me. So with that said, I'm going to go back with my Morphe blush and I'm going to take, so it comes with a cream and then it comes with 2 powders. Now, if you notice, the middle one is more of a highlight, but it's darker. I don't know, you can mix them, which is, I think, what I'm going to do just so we can see what we can get out of it. But let's go on to this side first. I mean, it'll definitely give more of a luminous blush, but it's just enough. Do you see that? It's just enough. I'm not going to do anything luminous on this cheek since I already have some. I'm going to do a little bit on the nose as well. This is a really pretty color though. What do you guys think? I told you Morphe was making a comeback. This, gorgeous. I like these and I'm definitely picking up at least one more. Probably the peach shade, let's be honest. And of course, do you guys remember this beauty? This is well expired. I'm sure the Makeup Forever. What is this? Pro Light Fusion in 02. I remember so much that I wanted this highlight, but I could just not justify the price tag because it was so pricey. And I eventually bought it, and I genuinely think this has been probably one of my all-time favorites. Just know that if I've held on to this for this long, it's because it's one of my favorites. So for the eyes, I want to do a colorful look, hence why I'm wearing, not colorful, but I'm wearing color on my clothes. So I am going to grab some old palettes, nothing new. Just wanted to pull out some colorful eyeshadow palettes that I have and love from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. These are amazing. I don't think I could ever get rid of these because they're just that good. They're pigmented, they blend really pretty, they have tons of matte shades, tons of colorful shades, and they're just amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna play some music and then let you guys enjoy it and let's see what we come up with. So grab your brushes, keep sipping on your cafecito, and let's get into it. I've been hung So I did a little lip combo off camera because I wanted to try out the brand new e.l.f. Glow Revive Melting Lip Balm. I'm going to try on the Strawberry Shortcake shade. And let's see how this looks. Ooh, so okay. So these are a little more pigmented than their lip oils. Ooh, it's nice and thick. Not goopy at all. Oh, that feels so nice. It feels almost like a lip mask, but without being too thick. Wow, okay. I really like this. It's just literally a lip balm. Super glossy. It's nice on the lips. Again, not thick, not heavy. This is a full face using brand new makeup releases, excuse me, mixed in with some older OG makeup that I've owned. I absolutely love this look. It's so fresh, it's very spring appropriate, and it's still very wearable, and it just looks so cute with this top. So I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Did you guys buy anything from the Sephora VAB sale? Are you guys buying the new e.l.f. lip balms? Are you guys getting anything? Let me know in the comment section down below. Can't wait to hear from you. Can't wait to talk with you. Other than that, have an amazing day, stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.